Hello and welcome to the most awaited FTR 3.0 by competition community, especially for English medium students. My name is Pukhraj Giri, and in this FTR session, I'll be dealing with Chhattisgarh General Studies, wherein from this video, we have actually started with the geography section of Chhattisgarh, and I have selected the questions for this video from the physical divisions of Chhattisgarh. But before starting, let me take a moment to inform you guys that we at Competition Community, we are actually organizing weekly tests which are actually going to be held on every Sunday at 11 a.m. So what you people have to do, you people actually have to enroll yourselves by Friday evening so that you people are able to give the test that will be held on Sunday. So this was all about the announcement. Let us move to the questions now. Here we have our first question. Arrange the physical divisions of Chhattisgarh in the sequence of north to south. Now, talking about the four physical divisions of Chhattisgarh, the first one is Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau. Second one is Jashpur Samri Pat. Third one is Mahanadi Basin. And the fourth one is Dandakaranya Plateau. Now, let us first understand this Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau. So, the Korea district, the Surajpur district, even the most part of Balrampur district, specifically if I say leaving the Kusmi Samri Tehsils and the northern and the western part of this Sarguja district, this actually comprises the Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau. Now, the remaining part of this Balrampur district, Sarguja district and the Jashpur district, this actually is the Jashpur Samri part. Now, Mahanadi Basin, I should say, actually is comprised of the Bilaspur, the Durg and the Raipur divisions. However, not completely. Now, the Mohila and the Manpur Tehsils of this Rajnathgaon district, this actually along with the entire Bastar division, this forms the Dandakaranya Plateau. However, let me also tell you, some parts of this Gorilla Pindra Marwahi and the Korba district is also included in this Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau. So in general, we have seen Korea, Surajpur, some part of Balrampur and some part of Sarguja district. This actually makes up the Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau. The remaining part of Balrampur, Sarguja and the Jashpur district, it actually makes up the Jashpur Samri part area. Some part of this Gorilla Pindra Marwahi and Korba district is also included in this Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau, while some part of this Rajnathgaon district is included in the Dandakaranya Plateau. So the area of this Bilaspur division, Durg division and Raipur division minus this area of Rajnathgaon and this area of Gorilla Pindra Marwahi and Korba, this actually makes up this Mahanadi Basin. And finally, the area left out from Rajnathgaon and the entire Bastar division, this actually makes up the Dandakaranya Plateau. Now, if we actually look these physical divisions in the form of a series from north to south. So let me tell you, the northernmost part of Chhattisgarh, that is the Ramanujganj Tehsil of this Balrampur district. It is actually included in Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau. Now, The southernmost subdivision is actually Dandakaranya Plateau, and I hope that there is no confusion regarding this. And just above this Dandakaranya Plateau is Mahanadi Basin. And finally, we are left with what? Jashpur Samri Pat. So, if we arrange the 4 physical divisions of Chhattisgarh from north to south, let me tell you, the northernmost is Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau, the southernmost is Dandakaranya Plateau. Let me also tell you, to the immediate north of Dandakaranya Plateau is Mahanadi Basin, and further to the north of Mahanadi Basin is the Jashpur Samri Pat. So what is going to be the correct sequence from north to south? It will be Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau, Jashpur Samri Pat, Mahanadi Basin and Dandakaranya Plateau. Now let's come back to the question. We have to tell in the sequence from north to south, and what we have learned, it was Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau first, then was Jashpur Samri Pat, then was Mahanadi Basin, and finally was Dandakaranya Plateau. Now, looking at the options, in the option A, we have Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau, then Jashpur Samri Pat, then Mahanadi Basin, and then Dandakaranya Plateau. So this actually matches up with the answer that we have deduced, and hence this option A is going to be the correct option for our first question. So this was all about the first question. Next we have our second question. Golapalli Hills is related to. Now this actually is the entire Bastar division and the major part of this Dandakaranya Plateau. In this Dandakaranya Plateau, we have a subdivision which is known as Godavari Shabri Basin. We have Godavari Shabri Basin, which actually is the plains between Godavari and Shabri River. And in this Godavari Shabri Basin, predominantly in the Sukma district of Chhattisgarh, we have this Golapalli Hills. So this Golapalli Hills is actually situated in the Dandakaranya Plateau of Chhattisgarh. Now, considering the options, Keshkal Hills, Abujmad Hills, Godavari Shabri Basin, and we have Bastar Plateau. So what have I told you? That it is actually situated in the Dandakaranya Plateau, and I have also told you that it is actually situated in the Godavari Shabri Basin, once again, which is a subdivision of this Dandakaranya Plateau. Now, can we find this Godavari Shabri Basin in the options? Yes, we have Godavari Shabri Basin in the option B, and hence this option B is going to be the correct option for this second question. Now, next we have a third question. Which of the following is correct? First, Nandi Raj is the highest peak of Dandakaranya Plateau. Now, regarding this Nandi Raj peak has the height of 1210 meters. It is the second highest peak of Chhattisgarh. First highest being Gaur Lata with 1225 meters height. So Gaur Lata with the height 1225 is the highest peak of Chhattisgarh. Nandi Raj with the height 1210 meters is the second highest peak of Chhattisgarh. Now this Gaur Lata is actually situated in Jashpur Samri Pat area, which lies in the northern part of Chhattisgarh, and this Nandi Raj is actually situated in the Dandakaranya Plateau. Now, if we call Nandi Raj as the highest peak of Dandakaranya Plateau, will it be right? Yes, absolutely. Because the highest peak of Chhattisgarh, that is Gaur Lata, it is situated in Jashpur Samri Pat. So, but obviously, the second highest peak, if it is not situated in Jashpur Samri Pat, will be the highest peak in which physical division it is actually situated. So, Nandi Raj is the highest peak of this Dandakaranya Plateau, and this Nandi Raj also happens to be the highest peak of southern Chhattisgarh. So the first statement is Nandi Raj is the highest peak of Dandakaranya Plateau. Yes, we have seen with the height of 1210 meters. It is the highest peak of Dandakaranya Plateau. Now, Radan Hills is situated in the Mahasamund district. Now, this actually is the Mahasamund district, and in this Mahasamund district, there is a hill known as Radan. And this Radan hill is actually origin to river Lath. So, Radan Hills is situated in the Mahasamund district. Yes, it is actually correct. Next, we have Matiringa Hill is situated in the Surajpur district. Let me tell you, this Matiringa Hill is actually situated in the Sarguja district. So, this actually is the map of Sarguja division predominantly, wherein we have this Sarguja district, and here is this Matiringa Hill, and this Matiringa Hill is actually origin to river Rihand. Which river? River Rihand. So this statement will actually be incorrect since it says that Matiringa Hill is actually situated in the Surajpur district. Now in the fourth statement we have Palma Hills is the highest peak of Chhattisgarh. In the earlier question only I told you Gaur Lata is the highest peak of Chhattisgarh. And in the fifth statement we have Albaka Hills is situated in the Sukma district of Chhattisgarh. Let me tell you, this Albaka Hill is actually situated in the Bijapur district of Chhattisgarh and not the Sukma district, and hence this statement is also going to be incorrect. And finally we have height of Badargarh is 1176 meters. So this actually is the map of the Kabirdham district, and in this Kabirdham district we have a hill known as Badargarh, and the height of Badargarh is 1176 meters. So in fact this statement is correct. So in the question we have to tell which of the statements are actually correct. So we have seen statement 1, statement 2 and statement 6 are the ones which are actually correct. And this 1, 2 and 6 is mentioned in the option B, and hence this option B is going to be the correct option for our third question. Now next we have our fourth question. Sarangarh Basin and Hasdev Mand Basin are separated by. Now this highlighted portion, this actually represents the Bilaspur division of Chhattisgarh. There are certain rivers. First of them is river Hasdev. Next we have river Mand. Now both of these rivers are actually the tributaries of river Mahanadi. So this is river Mahanadi. This is river Hasdev and this is river Mand. So the area between this river Hasdev and Mand river is actually known as Hasdev Mand Basin. And the area around this Sarangarh is known as Sarangarh Basin. So in this Bilaspur division, predominantly I should say, from this Bilaspur Raigad plains, we are talking about two subdivisions. One is Hasdev Mand Basin between rivers Hasdev and Mand, and the second one is the Sarangarh Basin, predominantly in the Sarangarh area in the Raigad district. So separating both of them is actually a series of small hills which is actually known as Chawar Dhal. So it is a series of small hills separating Hasdev Mand Basin and Sarangarh Basin, and the name is what? Name is Chawar Dhal. So coming back to the question, Sarangarh Basin and Hasdev Mand Basin are actually separated by, Chawar Dhal, which is mentioned in the option C, and hence this option C is going to be the correct answer for this fourth question. Now next we have our fifth question. In the fifth question, we have to tell which of the following is unmatched related to the Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau. Now, regarding the Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau, I have told you the extension. It is in the Korea district, Surajpur district, Balrampur district, except the Kusmian Samri Tehsils and in the northern and western parts of Sarguja district. So this was the extension. If we talk about the area is 21863 square kilometers. If we talk about percentage area is 16.16%. If we talk about the drainage systems associated to this Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau, it is both Son Ganga and Mahanadi. So now this was actually the area of Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau. From this Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau only rivers Banas and Gopat, they actually originate and head northwards and are actually the tributaries of river Son. While Hasdev river also originates from this Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau only, and it flows south and actually joins Mahanadi, or it is a tributary of Mahanadi. So the drainage systems associated with Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau are both Son Ganga and Mahanadi. Next, let me tell you, highest peak is Devgarh with the height of 1033 meters, and this Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau is famously the home to some of the tribes like Kol and Pandu. Let me also tell you, in this Eastern Baghelkhand Plateau only, there are some important hills like Musky Hill and Maina Hills. So we actually know the extension, the area, the percentage area, the drainage systems associated with it, the highest peak, the tribes, and some important hills. Now coming to the options. In the option A, we have it accounts for 16.16% of the total physical area of Chhattisgarh. Yes, it does account for 16.16% of total physical area. It is only related to Son Ganga drainage system. No, it is not related to Son Ganga drainage system only, rather it is also related to Mahanadi drainage system, and hence this option B is incorrect. In the option C, we have Devgarh is the highest peak. We have seen that Devgarh is the highest peak, and in the option D, it says it is home to tribes like Kol and Pando. This is what I have already told you. So, in the question, we have to tell which of the following is unmatched. So we can see A, C, D all are correct, while B is the only one which is not correct and hence is the unmatched one. And hence the correct answer for this fifth question is going to be option number B. So this was all about the fifth question. Now next we have a sixth question. Jarang Part is known as Garden of Chhattisgarh. Average elevation of Man Part is 1152 meters. In the third statement, we have Pandra Part is known as Shimla of Chhattisgarh. In the statement 4, we have Jashpur Part is the largest part area of Chhattisgarh. And in the statement 5, we have Gaur-Lata is situated in the Lehsoon Part. So now, solving this question with the help of map. So we have already learned this Kusmi Samri Tehsil, the Lundra Batoli, Sitapur and Man Part Tehsils of Sarguja, and the entire Jashpur district is the extension of Jashpur Samri Part. Now let me tell you, this Kusmi and Samri Tehsil, they are actually known as Samri Part. The Man Part, you already know, it is the Man Part Tehsil. In the Bagicha Tehsil of the Jashpur district, we have Pandra Part, which is also known as Garden of Chhattisgarh. The rest part of this Jashpur district is actually Jashpur Part, and you know this Jashpur Part will be the largest part area of Chhattisgarh. You can actually identify this in this map only. Now this Lundra Batoli Tehsils of Sarguja district up till this northern part of Sitapur Tehsil is the Jarang Part of Chhattisgarh. Let me also tell you of Man Part is 1152 meters. Let me also tell you the eastern part of this Samri Part is known as Jamir Part, while the western part of this Samri Part only is known as Lehsoon Part. and it is in this Lehsoon part that Gaur Lata is situated, which happens to be the highest peak of Chhattisgarh. So what we have learned? We have learned the extension of Samri Pat, Main Pat, Jarang Pat, Pandra Pat and Jashpur Pat. We learned the average elevation of Main Pat is 1152 meters. Jashpur Pat is the highest part of Chhattisgarh. I already told you that this Pandra Pat is known as Garden of Chhattisgarh. Then I told you the eastern part of Samri Pat is known as Jamir Pat, while the western part is known as Lehsoon Pat, and Gaur Lata is situated in the Lehsoon Pat. Statement number 1. Jarang Pat is known as Garden of Chhattisgarh. No, it was Pandra Pat and not Jarang Pat. Hence, this statement is wrong. Second statement says average elevation of Main Pat is 1152 meters. Yes, it is 1152 meters. Third statement says Pandra Pat is known as Shimla of Chhattisgarh. We know that Main Pat is actually termed as Shimla of Chhattisgarh and not Pandra. Fourth statement says Jashpur Pat is the largest part area of Chhattisgarh. We know that Jashpur Pat is the largest part area of Chhattisgarh. Now, finally, we have the fifth statement. Gaur Lata is situated in the Lehsoon Pat. Yes, it is actually situated in the Lehsoon Pat. Now, we have to tell which of the following are actually correct. So, we know 2, 4 and 5 are the ones which are actually correct. And 2, 4, 5 are actually mentioned in the option B, and hence this option B is going to be the correct option for our sixth question. Next, we have a seventh question, and in the seventh question we have to tell which among the following is correct. In the option A, we have Dandakaranya Plateau is the smallest plateau of Chhattisgarh. Let me tell you, Dandakaranya Plateau is actually the largest plateau of Chhattisgarh with an area of 39060 square kilometers. Second statement says Mahanadi Basin has its general slope towards the east direction. Now, talking about this Mahanadi Basin, that means predominantly Bilaspur, Durg and Raipur divisions. Now, when we see the flow of major rivers, by major rivers, I mean river Mahanadi. Then we have river Shivnath. Then we have river Hasdev, river Mand, river Kelo, and some of the smaller rivers like river Lath. We also have river Jok. So now we can actually see the major rivers in this Mahanadi Basin. They actually tend to flow eastwards. In which direction? Eastwards. And this we can tell with the respect of flow of major rivers like Mahanadi, like Shivnath, like some of the tributaries of Shivnath also, and some of the tributaries of Mahanadi also. So we can say that general slope of Mahanadi Basin is in fact towards east only. Now in the third statement, Jashpur Samri Pat is the largest physical division of Chhattisgarh. No, Mahanadi Basin with the area of 68064 square kilometers is the largest physical division of Chhattisgarh. In the fourth statement, it says Kotri Basin is related to Mahanadi Basin. Let me tell you, Kotri Basin is actually a subdivision of Dandakaranya Plateau and not Mahanadi Basin. And hence, this statement is also incorrect. So, we have to actually find which among the following are correct. We have seen this option B is the only one which seems to be correct. And hence, this option B is going to be the correct option of this seventh question. Now next we have our eighth question. Which of the following districts are not related to Mahanadi, Shivnath, Doab? What are the districts that we have? We have Kabirdham, we have Raipur, we have Gariyaband, we have Mahasamund and we have Balauda Bazar. So before understanding what is Doab, let us plot rivers Mahanadi and Shivnath. So the first river is river Mahanadi and second river is river Shivnath. So the plains towards the east of Mahanadi, they are actually known as Trans-Mahanadi Plains. Let me tell you, it is not that this area is known as Trans-Mahanadi Plains, because the parts of this Mahasamund, Gariyaband and Dhamtari district are also included in the Dhamtari Mahasamund highlands. So between this Dhamtari Mahasamund highlands and this river Mahanadi lies this Trans-Mahanadi Plains. In the same manner, between this Makal Hills and river Shivnath lies Trans-Shivnath Plains. And the area between river Shivnath and Mahanadi is known as Mahanadi Shivnath Doab. So we can actually see which of the districts are actually related to this Mahanadi Shivnath Doab. So we have seen Durg district, Raipur district and Baloda Bazar. These are three districts predominantly included in the Mahanadi Shivnath Doab. Durg, Baloda Bazar, Raipur, even the southern part of Bemetara district. Now, coming back to the question, we have to tell which of the following are not related to Mahanadi Shivnath Doab. So we have learned that Durg, Raipur, portions of Baloda Bazar and Bemetara districts are the actually ones related to this Mahanadi Shivnath Doab. And we have to tell which are not related to. So, have we seen Mahasamund being related to? No. Have we seen Gariyaband? No. Have we seen Kabir Dham related to it? No. That means Kabir Dham, Gariyaband and Mahasamund. These are actually the three districts which are not related to Mahanadi Shivnath Doab. Kabir Dham is given in 1, Gariyaband in 3 and Mahasamund in 4. So what has to be the correct answer? It has to be 134, and 134 is given in option C, and hence this option C is going to be the correct option for our 8th question. So this was all about the 8th question. Now we have a 9th question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? We have Raughat Hills, we have Beladela Hills, we have Keshkal Hills and we have Radan Hills. So now this is actually the map showing the Durg, Raipur and the Bastar division of Chhattisgarh. The Raughat Hills is actually situated in the southern part of Kanke district and is extended into some of the northern portion of this Narayanpur district also. The Keshkal Hills is actually situated in this Kondagaon district. Now, the extension of this Beladela Hills is in the western part of Dantewada district. That means Raughat Hills, Keshkal Hills and Beladela Hills, they all lie in the Dandakaranya plateau. While this Radan Hill is actually situated in the Mahanadi basin. So we have seen Raughat, Keshkal and Beladela Hills. They actually lie in the Dandakaranya plateau, while this Radan Hills, this actually lies in the Mahanadi basin. And we have to tell which of the one is not correctly matched. So we actually know this option D is the one which is not correctly matched, and hence this option D is going to be the correct option for our 9th question. And finally we have our 10th question. Musky and Maina Hills are related to. So in the question number 5 only I told you that this Musky and Maina Hills, they are actually situated in the eastern Baghelkhand plateau, and hence this option A is going to be the correct option for our 10th question. So these were some of the important and conceptual questions from the topic Physical Division of Chhattisgarh. I'll be back in my next video with the drainage system of Chhattisgarh. I hope you people would have liked my video, and I shall meet you people in my coming videos. Tab tak ke liye thank you and take care.
CGPSC की संपूर्ण तैयारी के लिए कंपटीशन कम्युनिटी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और डेली अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।